Hi, 5 reasons to buy human lubricant from Alibaba. First, this is a hot-selling product in 2022. Our capacity has increased 30% than last year. We have seen an increase of sex lubricant with a growing demand. Second, this is ready-to-ship products. If you are tired of long production time, our sex lubricant has stock, including warm filling, time filling, aloe vera lubricant. Third, we can accept OEM and ODM order. Fourth, you don't need to worry about quality and price. Fifth, great, trendy design is what we always aiming for. Come talk to us for more professional advice and products.